Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 12th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about operator precedence in Python. And let's just have a look at an expression. So let's say you want to add two numbers, 5 and 4, and then you want to multiply the result of this with the number 2, right? So this is the expression that you would frame like 5, you add 4 to it, then you multiply the thing with 2, and what is the result that we should get? So 5 plus 4 is 9, and then 9 times 2 is 18. So that's what we should get, right? When I press the enter key, I get 13 as the result instead. And why has this happened? It has happened because the multiplication operator enjoys a higher precedence than the addition operator, right? So what happened instead was 4 was multiplied to 2 before 4 was added to 5, right? So 4 times 2 is 8, and then 8 was added to 5 to get 13. We were expecting it to return 18. We got 13 as the answer instead, right? So this is how operator precedence can ruin your life. And it's if you guys are wondering, okay, how are we going to know? There are so many operators that we've checked out, all the arithmetic operators, and then comparison operators, and then logical, bitwise, and the membership identity, and all of those. How are we going to know what stands where in the operator precedence chart? Then the answer to that is that you don't have to know. It's not that you just need to know that. And I have worked with a lot of programming languages, but I have never cared to memorize the operator precedence chart. But then if you want to refer to it, then of course you can Google it up, or you can go to Python's website and check it out there, or you can refer to the documentation that comes along with your interpreter. You can do all those things. But then I have a way through which you can ignore knowing the operator precedence chart, and that is through the use of parentheses. So let's say if in the above expression you wanted to add 5 and 4 first and then multiply the result with 2, you could simply enclose 5 and 4 within parentheses, and then have the same thing after that. When I press the enter key now, what Python does is it figures out, okay, since these two are in parentheses, I have to perform the addition operation first. So it does that, and then it multiplies the result with 2. So this is how parentheses can be so convenient. And if you guys are wondering, okay, if I do this, then maybe my program is going to get slow, my script is not going to execute as fast. But that's not true. It's going to work at the same speed, and it's not going to slow down your program, the use of parentheses. And you can have parentheses to a level as deep as you want. So you can nest parentheses within another set of parentheses, and you can do whatever you want to do, as long as you keep a track of having the same set of opening parentheses and closing parentheses. So that can be a challenge, matching the opening parentheses with the closing parentheses. But then I guess if you compare that with the complexity that you have to deal with, with or without the knowledge of operator precedence, then I guess parentheses are still more convenient. So that's it for now. In the next tutorial, we are going to begin our discussion on decision constructs in Python, and this is where real programming in Python is going to begin, and I'm excited about it. We're going to check out the if statement, and I hope you guys had fun watching this tutorial. Thank you so much, and you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.